Okay, so this is CP6 and this is the step where you're preparing the Google form. So to do this, you first of all need to open up your CP5 Part 2 coursework, and you need to find those optimized posts that you created. You also need the ability to take screenshots of those or save them as JPEGs, image files. So whichever device you're using, you need to make sure that you can actually screenshot those. Then we're going to put those into a Google form. So I'll show you where to find the forms to start with. So study directory, first year unit, CPC on the left here, and then you go into unit 3 and learning aim BC, CP6. Once you get in there, if you scroll down until you find the CP6 area, which is here, and the form that you're going to be using is in this Google Drive window. To open up that Google Drive window, you click here, which is the little open button at the top right of that window. Once you've done that, you'll see that there's a number of files in there. The one you want is review of social media posts. Don't open it. All you need to do is right click and go to make a copy, which is there. Once you've made a copy, save it into your BTEC IT Unit 3 folder on Google Drive. And then open it up once you've copied it and moved it. So I've done that a little bit earlier, and mine is in here. And I've started to put my social media posts in. So when you get it, you'll have 4 sections, which are all the same. And they will look like this. You'll have a yellow blob, which you're going to replace with the screenshot of each of your posts, and you'll have a title above it. So let me show you what I've done so far. So I've put 3 optimized posts in here. So I've changed the title to explain what kind of post it is, and I've got that post in there. The questions have already been set up. I'm not going to change them. Here's my second one. Again, I've put in the name of the post and I've put the screenshot in, and I've done the same for the third one. I thought I'd do the last one live with you now. So this last post of mine is going to be a Facebook post. I'll get rid of that little bit there. What I am doing is I'm leaving this one likely for very unlikely bit of text in, so whoever I send this to will understand how we are using a scale on this questionnaire. Then I'm going to put my screenshot of my last post in here. So I'm going to click on the ... and then I'm going to change that image. Now for me, I've got it loaded in my downloads already, so I've done the screenshot, and I'm just going to grab that. And that's fairly straightforward. It just replaces that yellow blob that was in there. And then those questions are already in there, and everything is tickety-boo. Once you've completed your questionnaire, you can look at the assignment brief, and there's a small little write-up to do about that questionnaire. And then we're moving on to the step where you actually are gathering feedback. So what you're going to do is your teacher will put you into groups, and all you have to do is send that questionnaire off to every member of your group. And you do that quite simply by clicking on send, and then adding their email addresses to the line there on the to line. And that's all you have to do. So send it off to those people, and hopefully you'll get some really good responses.